If your life feels messy right now, it's probably not because everything is falling apart. It usually comes down to a few small things quietly stacking up in the background. Your space feels off. Your routine feels inconsistent. Your brain feels like it has 10 tabs open at all times. And the frustrating part is, nothing looks wrong enough to fix, but everything feels slightly off, and it lingers in the background all day. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 simple changes that reset your life fast. Not a full life overhaul, just the few things that actually move the needle. And number 4 is the one most people ignore, but it's usually the real problem. 1. Reset your physical space first. Before you try to fix your mindset, fix what you're sitting in, because clutter isn't just visual, it's cognitive load. Every random item, every messy surface, every unfinished corner, your brain is tracking all of it, even when you think you're ignoring it. You don't need a full clean, just pick one zone: your nightstand, your bathroom counter, your kitchen sink. Clear it completely, wipe it down, reset it. That small win does something immediate. It gives your brain a signal that things are under control again, even if the rest of your life still feels busy. 2. Fix your drop zones. Most mess isn't random. It happens in the same places every day. The chair where clothes pile up, the counter where keys, bags, and mail get dumped. That one corner that always looks chaotic. Instead of fighting it, design for it. Add a tray, a basket, a hook. Give those items a place to land. This is one of those small changes that quietly makes your entire space feel more organized without effort, and it prevents the same mess from repeating tomorrow. 3. Create one stable daily anchor. When life feels messy, your routine is usually inconsistent. You don't need a perfect morning routine. You need one thing that happens every day, no matter what. Same coffee, same 10-minute reset at night, same short walk, something predictable. That one anchor stabilizes everything else around it. It's not about discipline. It's about reducing decision fatigue and giving your day a reliable starting point. 4. Stop leaving things half done. This is the one that creates that constant low-level stress. Half-done tasks. A package you opened but didn't throw away. Laundry that's clean but not folded. Emails you read but didn't answer. Individually, they're small. Together, they create mental clutter that follows you throughout the day. So here's the rule. Close loops faster. If something takes under 2 minutes, finish it immediately. If it takes longer, schedule it or deliberately leave it. Don't keep it floating in your head. This alone can make your life feel noticeably lighter within a day. 5. Reduce visual noise. Your environment might not be messy, but it still feels chaotic. Too many colors, too many small objects, too many competing elements. This is where people get stuck. They clean, but it still doesn't feel calm. Start subtracting. Put away 30% of what's out. Clear surfaces. Simplify what's visible. You'll notice the shift immediately. The space starts to feel quieter, even if nothing major changed. 6. Fix your lighting. This one is underrated, but it changes everything. Harsh overhead lighting makes a space feel clinical and uncomfortable. Dim, uneven lighting makes it feel dull and unmotivating. Layer your lighting instead. A warm lamp, a soft ambient light, something indirect. When your lighting feels good, your entire environment feels more intentional, and that directly affects your mood and energy more than people expect. 7. Remove one daily friction point. This is the fastest way to feel like your life is improving. Find one thing that annoys you every single day and fix it. Maybe it's a cluttered entryway, a slow coffee setup, not having your essentials in one place. Fix that one thing, then fix another. This is how people quietly upgrade their lives. not with big changes, but by removing friction from their daily routine. And here's the part most people miss. When your life feels messy, you don't need motivation, you need clarity and a few small resets that actually stick. Once your environment feels calmer, your brain follows. Once your routines feel predictable, your stress drops. And once those small systems are in place, everything else starts to feel easier and more manageable day to day. If this video actually helped you feel a little more in control, subscribe and save this, because this is the kind of stuff that doesn't feel urgent until everything starts slipping again. And if you're honest, you already know which one of these you need to fix first. Start there.